Nabukasan, kinausap naman ni Joaquin si Sofia.
Sinabi ko lahat ng mga sinabi niya tungkol sa'yo, tungkol kay Lela, lahat ng mga comments. Feeling ko, sinisiraan ko siya, but I'm not.
No.
Kasi nagiging matapat lang ako sa mga sinasabi niya at oo, kaibigan ko siya. Pero kaibigan din kita at kaibigan din ko din si Lela, most especially.
The whole K-drama is literally him.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I'm involved, yeah, but it's...
He's the lead character.
He's the lead character, bro.
And the code names, right?
I mean, like, I'm not really, like, scared about it kasi alam ko naman na it's not something big. Like,
Oo.
yung sa amin kasi, like, it's not, alam mo yun, it's something that never really happened. Like,
Yeah.
kami kaya namin mag-usap na we're literally friends. Like, yung shipping, it's coming from the other housemates.
Yeah.
But when we talk, we're just friends.
Yeah.
Nagkakaroon lang ng...
So you really don't care about it?
Kung alam niya na alam ko, I just hope he comes clean.
Yeah.
Matapos makausap si Joaquin ay naglabas naman ng saloobin si Sofia kay Rave.
Yung code names kasi, it wasn't to hide it from Kuya.
Oh.
It was to hide it from the other housemates para hindi lumaki yung problem. But then again, yung side naman kasi namin ni Joaquin, we just didn't want it to grow bigger. Especially, it's me being involved with someone na meron akong someone sa labas. And ayokong ma-hurt yun. And I don't want to see our fans na makikita nila na para bang hindi ko inisip si Allen and actions niya. So ngayon na nai-involve ako directly with someone in that way, na ano talaga ako. Kasi yun yung last thing na gusto kong mangyari. Parang meron pa nga siyang mga naiintindihan ko kapag may nagustuhan ka sa loob may ganun siya. Tapos nag-promise ako na hindi talaga. I mean like, hindi naman porket andito ako, sabihin natin umabot ako hanggang dulo. Like, kakalimutan kita. Ayun, naiyak tuloy ako. Kasi iniisip ko kung anong nararamdaman niya.